Hello, friends. Welcome to Sanket Group of Coaching. I am Sanket Purohit. Today, we are going to see your Moments chapter 7, The Last Leaf. And let me explain you, first of all, paragraph by paragraph. So, Sue and John C., two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So, two girls by the names of Sue and Johnsy lived together in a small flat. They were artists. The flat was on the third floor of the old house. Next, Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Although he came every day there was no change in Johnson's condition. So क्या हुआ था? न्यूमोनिया क्या है? A disease caused due to the infection of lungs. And gazing का मतलब है looking. So in the month of November, Johnsy was struck by pneumonia. She remained in the bed and would look out of the window. She was worried about Johnsy and called the doctor. The doctor visited them daily, but there was no improvement in Johnsy's health. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" "No," replied Sue. "But why do you ask?" So क्या हुआ? Sue जो है और डॉक्टर में बातचीत होने लगी. The doctor secretly asked Sue if something was the matter with Johnsy, but Sue replied that there was nothing to worry and asked why did the doctor think so. The doctor said Johnsy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she does not want to live, medicines will not help her. तो डॉक्टर ने क्या इन्फॉर्म किया? डॉक्टर said that it seemed that Johnsy had decided not to live and did not want to recover from the illness. In such cases, medicines would not work on her. I will read out first. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnsy's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. तो उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी सू. तो उसने क्या क्या ट्राई किया उसके लिए जॉन्सी के लिए. सू ट्राइड टू लिवन अप जॉन्सी. शी डिस्कस्ड इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स लाइक क्लोथ्स एंड फैशन विद her, but Johnsy remained unaffected. She lay in bed. Sue sat beside her and started painting in order to create interest in her and take her mind off her illness. Sue would whistle at times to brighten up Johnsey's and to make her fresh. Next para. Suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy continuing backwards. Counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite to their window. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shading its leaves. तो क्या हुआ? शू जो है उसने जॉन्सी से बातें करना स्टार्ट किया और जॉन्सी कुछ बड़बड़ा रही थी. तो Sue heard that Johnsy was speaking softly. Johnsy was making a backward counting while looking out of window. She was curious and looked outside. She saw an ivy creeper plant beside the window of the room. As strong winds were blowing, the leaves of creepers were falling. Okay, next. What is it, dear? Sue asked. तो Sue ने पूछा कि भाई क्या मैटर क्या है. ठीक है. 6, whispered Johnsy. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. So Johnsy ने क्या बोला? Johnsy said 6. Then she said that the leaves were falling faster. She added that 3 days ago there were a lot of leaves on the ivy creeper, almost 100, but now only 5 are left. Then it is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. तो सू ने क्या बताया कि ये तो भाई पानखर ऋतु है, ऑटम है, ठीक है, तो जो लीव्स है दे विल डेफिनेटली बी शेडिंग. ओके, तो Sue replied that it was autumn season and it was natural for creeper to shed its leaf. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. I have known this for the last 3 days. So Johnsy said that she would die when the last leaf fell. She added that she had known for this for the last 3 days. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? Doctor is confident that you will get better. So Sue replied that this did not make any sense. The leaves had nothing to do with her health. The doctor was sure that she would recover. Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. तो जॉन्सी एकदम से साइलेंट हो गई और सू ने क्या किया, उसके लिए एक सूप का बाउल लेके आ गई. ठीक है. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. So Johnsy did not accept the soup. She was not hungry. Then she said that 4 leaves were remaining on the ivy plant. She wanted to see the last leaf fall before sunset and then she could die peacefully. The next, Sue sat on Jonesy's bed, kissed her, and said, "You are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, my dear friend," she begged Jonesy, "promise not to look out of window while I paint." So, Sue ने क्या किया? Sue tried to show affection towards Johnsy. She said that Johnsy would not die. She kept the curtain open because she needed the light to complete the painting. She would sell it to fetch money for them. Sue requested Johnsy not to look out of window. All right, said Johnsy. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. I have to die, so let me go away peacefully like one of those poor, tired leaves. The Johnsy agreed and asked Sue to finish the painting so that she could be in time to see the last leaf fall of the ivy plant. She was tired of waiting to see it fall. She wanted to die and was tired just like the poor ivy leaf. Next, try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. I will call Behram up to be my model. Okay? So Sue asked her to get some sleep as she had to paint old miner. Old miner means buthe log. She would call upon their neighbor Behram to be the model for her. Next, to rush down, Behram lived on the ground floor. So Sue went downstairs to the ground floor of house where Behram lived. He was 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. She poured out her worries to Behram. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. So Behram क्या था? Behram was a 60-year-old painter. He aspired to paint a masterpiece. So discussed Johnsy's condition with him. She said that Johnsy was sure that she would die when the last leaf fell off the ivy plant. Is she stupid? Asked Behram. How can she be so foolish? She is running a high temperature, complained Sue. She refuses to eat or drink and that worries me a lot. ठीक है, तो अब क्या हुआ? To say that Johnsy was suffering from high fever, she was not eating too, she was worried about her. Next, I will come with you and see Johnsy, Behram said. So Behram went to see Johnsy. Next, they tiptoed in the room. Johnsy was sleeping. Sue drew the curtains together and they went to the next room. She peeped out the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. Behram did not say a word. He went back to his room. तो क्या हुआ? दोनों Behram and Johnsy, ठीक है, went to their room quietly. Johnsy was asleep. Sue drew the curtains and they went to the adjoining room. Sue looked out of the window. There was only one leaf left on the creeper plant. There was heavy rain accompanied by strong cold winds. The leaf was due to fall any moment. Behram did not say anything and went back to his room. Next, Johnsy woke up the next morning in a feeble voice. She asked Sue to draw the curtains. Sue was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. अब reluctantly का मतलब क्या होता है? Very slowly. And feeble का मतलब होता है very weak. So next morning क्या हुआ? Woke up in a weak voice and asked Johnsy to open the curtain. She was worried and hesitantly drew them back. Oh, Sue exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf on the creeper. It looks quite green and healthy. In spite of the storm and fierce winds, it did not fall. So Sue was glad as she announced that there still was one leaf on the creeper. It appeared green and healthy. It had not fallen despite the storm. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today, then I will die. So Johnsy said that she had heard the winds that previous night. She had thought that the leaf would definitely fall. She added that it would fall that day for sure, and then she would die too. You won't die, said Sue energetically. You have to live for your friends. What would happen to me if you die? So Sue said that Johnsy would not die. She had to live for her friends. She added that she would become lonely if Johnsy died. Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. So Johnsy smiled and closed her eyes. She was weak. After almost every hour, she would look out if the leaf was still there or not. It seemed that the leaf was stuck to the creeper. Next, in the evening, there was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. Johnsy lay for a long time at the leaf, lay for a long time for looking at the leaf. Then she called out to Sue. So, क्या हुआ? There was another storm that evening, but the leaf did not fall. Johnsy kept on looking and then she called to Sue. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. So अब उसको realize हो गया. The Johnsy said that she had been a bad girl. Sue looked after her while she did not cooperate and remained sad. The last leaf had made her realize her mistake. She said that the desire to die was a wrong one. Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. ठीक है, तो फिर क्या हुआ? She was glad to see the change in Johnsy. She got soup for her, gave her a mirror to tidy her hair. Johnsy was happy and bright. Next paragraph. In the afternoon, doctor came after examining his patient. He told Sue, Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Behram. He is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. तो डॉक्टर ने क्या बोला? डॉक्टर आए, विजिट किया. Doctor visited the afternoon and said that the desire to live was back in Johnsy. He was sure that she would recover. He went downstairs to check Behram, who was suffering from pneumonia, and there was no hope that he would recover. Next. The next morning, Sue came and sat on Johnsy's bed. Taking Johnsy's hand in hers, she said, I have something to tell you. Mr. Behram died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. So janitor का मतलब a person whose job is to look after the building. The next morning, Sue sat beside Johnsy and told her that Behram died that morning. He had been ill for the last 2 days. The caretaker of the building had found him in his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet, and he was shivering. He had gone out at the night during the storm. Next, then they found a ladder and lantern still lightened, lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. John C. Dear, said Sue, look out of the window, look at that ivy leaf. Haven't you wondered why it does not flutter when the wind blows? That's Behram masterpiece. He painted it last in the night. The last leaf fell. तो क्या हुआ? वो जो पेंट था वो किसने बनाया हुआ था? एक्चुअली वो लीफ नहीं था, वो पेंटिंग था, लेकिन वो इतना लाइवली पेंटिंग था तो इसके लिए उसको नाम दिया गया था मास्टरपीस ऑफ बहराम. So a ladder and lantern were lying near his bed. Paint brushes, green and yellow colored paint, were also lying nearby. She asked Johnsy to look at the leaf. It did not flutter when the wind blew. It was the masterpiece that Behram aspired to paint. When the last leaf fell at night, he painted this one. That's the end of our chapter number 7 from Moments book, written by O. Henry, The Last Leaf. If you have gone through this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I am Sanket Purohit from Sanket Group of Coaching. Thank you very much. Bye bye, students.